Okay, good morning students. Today we are going to deal a very important topic in marketing specialization, that is sales and distribution management, that is role of logistics in corporate strategy. Exactly, today we are going to deal the entire role. What is the role of logistics in the entire corporate management? Okay, in the entire management field, in the entire corporate sector, in the entire top level, from entire top to the bottom. Exactly, what is the role of logistics? As we know that logistics is a very important part of any manufacturing unit as well as the entire distribution system, because without a sound logistics management system we are not going to get the information of the demands which is being incurred in the market, as well as we are not going to give the orders to the companies or the manufacturing unit on the basis of which the quantity of the products are going to be produced. Okay, so let us talk about the role of logistics in corporate strategy. The number one, the very first role is what? Improving customer service. Exactly, the very first role is what? About improving customer service. We are going to improve the entire customer service, where we are going to increase the service of the customers, where we are going to improve the customer services. Because if we are going to put focus on concentration on logistics, then definitely it is going to enhance most of the activities of the customers, and the customers are going to get various products at appropriate time, on the basis of which we are going to increase the customers service. Okay, giving delivery to the customers at the right time is one of the important service which is being provided to the customers by the retailers or the companies. Okay, so if we are going to focus highly, efficiently on and effectively on logistics management, then we are going to improve the customer service. Next one is what? Rapid response. Exactly, it is concerned with a firm's ability to satisfy customer service requirements in a timely manner. As we have seen that pace is also one of the important marketing mix. As we have studied about the 8 marketing mix, those are what? Product, price, place, promotion. Exactly, after that we are going to look upon the service part, that is physical evidence, process, pace. Okay, these three are what? Very important. So here the pace here means what? If we talk about this, then rapid response, that we are going to get the responses of the customers related to the services, how sound service we are providing to the customers, on the basis of which we are going to get their responses. Third one is what? Reduce total distribution cost. Exactly, this is going to reduce the entire distribution cost. Okay, if we are going to make a very sound and dynamic logistics management system, then but definitely it is going to reduce the entire distribution cost, because our logistics system management is strong, then on the basis of which the reductions in the distribution cost would also be reduced. Fourth one is what? Generating additional sales. Exactly, it is done by offering better services at lowest prices. Exactly, if the demands in the market are being fulfilled at the appropriate time, then the price of the products would not be increased. As we all know today, from the last 4 to 5 years, what we are looking about? Okay, we are looking about that that in the market the prices of onions as well as the potatoes will increase. It goes to 70 rupees kg, 80 rupees kg. Why it is so? Because it is just only because of the fault of logistics management, that we are not doing the logistics management properly. The entire logistics management team is going to be failure in this particular part. So if we are going to generate a strong logistics management part, then we are going to generate additional sales, and this additional sales is going to put the prices at the lowest rate, or the prices would be constant. Okay, so this is also the role. The fifth important role is what? Creating time and place utility. Exactly, time and place utility. It means that at time the products are being supplied to the customer so that they can satisfy their needs, as well as the place utility also. It means that we are going to supply the products at each and every corner of the nation or the world where we are having our customers to satisfy that particular needs from that particular products or services. Sixth one is what? Price stabilization of products. Exactly, the price would be stabilized, the product's price would be stabilized. As I have discussed earlier, the concept of onion and potato, that from the last 5 to 6 years what we are seeing, we are looking that the prices of onion and potato will suddenly increase in the market, and sometimes it suddenly drops in the market. Nobody knows that at what time the price of onion will increase and goes to around 100 rupees kg, and at what time it comes down to 20 rupees kg. So this is all because of the failure of logistics management. That logistics management is not being done properly. So if the logistics management is being managed properly, then the role of logistics management will help us to stabilize the product, stabilize the price of the product. Seventh one is what? Quality improvements. Exactly, if we are going to provide the products at right quantity, at the constant time, at the very proper lead time, then the quality should be improved. We are going to we are not going to give the customers the expired products, the current products, the fresh products which is being produced and that is being delivered to the customer. So the customers are also going to get the fresh the fresh products which is being currently produced in the manufacturing unit. Okay, eighth role is what? Efficient movement to customers. Exactly, efficiently it is being moved to the customers. And the ninth one is what? Warehousing and storage. This is one of the important point and role of logistics management related to both logistics, whether it should be the inbound logistics or it should be the outbound logistics, whether it should be the part of supply logistics, whether it should be the part of distribution logistics, where we are going to make the entire warehouse, and that warehouse decides the entire logistics part, that how much quantity of logistics we are going to manage on that particular warehouse or the storage part. Okay students, so this is a very important topic, that is role of logistics management in the corporate sector. The entire corporate sector, the entire corporate strategy is also being based on one of the important factors of the management, that is logistics management. Okay, thank you to all of you.